How to fix H1 heading issues in Shopify Dawn theme. So if you've run an SEO audit on your Shopify store using the Dawn theme and got flagged for multiple H1 tags or missing headings, it can hurt your search engine rankings. Shopify's Dawn theme often wraps store logos or extra section titles in duplicate H1 tags across your pages. Fixing this takes just under 2 minutes, and let's begin. So first, let's stop the header logo from forcing duplicate H1 tags across every inner page of your store. So just log in into Shopify admin, go to online store, navigate to themes, and click on the 3 dots next to your Dawn theme. So let's just make it activated, publish, 3 dots, and then edit code. Okay, and in the sidebar, search bar, just type and open header.liquid. This one in sections. Press Ctrl F to open up search and search for header _ heading or H1. Okay, on the home page. And Dawn will notice H1 and how in logo the wraps tag. I added the conditional tag so it only renders a H1 on the homepage template, or change the wrapper to a div tag for product and collection pages, so your actual page titles act as the sole H1. Okay, and then click Save here. Now let's make sure your homepage and landing pages aren't stacking multiple H1 tags through banner sections. So you just customize this theme right here from the same section. Then you click on your image banner or rich text hero section at the top of your homepage. In the section options on the right, you just verify that the primary title is set as your H1 heading. And next, click on any lower page sections like featured collection, slideshows, or multi-column sections, and change their heading tags or sizes to H1 or 3, so you don't have multiple competing H1 tags on a single page. Try out these fixes, guys, and as always, enjoy.